moving on.
Welcome to this video. This is Martha's last lesson for a driving test. Fantastic, she's given me permission to film this and put it on there. Please remember to like and subscribe the video, and also do press notify because we're putting videos on all the time and you'll be the first to know when we've done that. So we're going to run the rural route out of the test centre, pops off, turns right at its first roundabout, goes off to Pytchley. Nice opportunity to put your foot down and make some progress, and there's a rather nice little junction at the end we just need to go through again.
It's nice progress, well done.
Cheers.
Watch my YouTube videos, the test routes.
Yeah, I will.
Imagine yourself driving them. The 16 difficult routes, the big roundabouts video. It's a bit greedy, wasn't it? Well done for not flinching. Put your hands in the air. This is a celebration of what you've achieved, Martha, today.
It's just crazy.
This is a celebration.
Oh, I'm going to cry, so just don't.
You're not going to cry.
I am. I'm so bad with change.
No, but look how far you've come and how difficult you found it at the beginning. And it would have been so easy for you to throw the towel and go, it's not for me because I'm just going to go to Cyprus and be a dancer and quit it, blah, blah, blah. But you're, with all seriousness, absolute strength of character, you came through, got in control of the situation, and now look what you're doing and you achieved.
And it just clicked. So guys, if you think that driving's not for you, give it time and it actually is for you.
I'm absolutely dead proud of what you've achieved.
Richard, I'm going to cry. Stop. Seriously. Yeah, I'm actually very proud of myself because I know how scared I was. Well, I learned.
And also your mum, all the hard work you've done practicing as well. So you've really done it as a project. Thing is, you've taken it on board as a project to go, right, I'm going to learn how to drive.
That bend is horrible, isn't it?
It is horrible. Maybe a little bit slower around there.
Yeah.
Get away with it this time of night. Turning left, turning right, please, Martha.
This is a sneak and sneak, isn't it? Sorry.
So the point is, really slow. Just let gravity take you around. Unturn it. Around you go. That was straight out of the driving instructor's manual of how to do Pytchley left and right turn. That's perfect. I couldn't have done that better myself. That's brilliant.
Cheers.
So the point is, it really doesn't matter the result, because if it's not the result you want, the stars didn't align, you have learned to drive, become a very confident and competent driver as well.
And it doesn't mean I can't drive.
No, it doesn't prove anything. So if it doesn't work out, you go, okay, we'll come back in 2 weeks' time and do it again.
Yeah. Because like,
it
just
shake your mirrors out.
It's really...
I would keep it in second gear through here because there's a lot of potential off a fast lane, and you have to be able to get in and duck and dive accordingly. Keep going.
And it is what it is, so...
And when you do pass, you're going to be an absolute emotional mess.
Oh, if I pass on Monday,
you'll be emotion overload.
I'm going to be... You will not know what to do.
What to do with it?
You're just going to you'll be like, oh, this is so sweet, and then it's like, the whole drive home has passed, and I'm still sobbing.
Really?
Yeah.
At the end of the day, you say that. Why can't anyone achieve what they want to achieve? Enough determination, same 2 arms, 2 legs as anyone else. Why can't you?
I do this bend at 35 just because I'm scared.
If you want something bad enough, you can achieve it.
Yeah, and I really want this.
If you're that determined and realise to get something is hard work.
Yeah, like even with all the practicing,
it doesn't fall in your lap.
Like I was so shattered on Wednesday, and I was like, should I? Can I be bothered? And then I thought, no, because how much I actually deep down want to be able to drive, I'm not going to get away with it if I just don't practice. So I forced myself to Kettering and then slayed down this road.
What was your biggest low point in learning to drive with me?
January.
Or during the process?
January.
What happened?
It was at the point where we were doing fast roads, but I was still at the point of... Sorry, what?
Left.
I was still at the point of pooing myself every time I stepped foot in the driver's seat.
Did you feel like giving up at any time?
Yeah, a lot.
Did you?
A lot. Like, do you know when we used to have... We don't have them anymore. When we used to have our little, we just sit in silence, because I'd be annoyed for no reason or sad.
Well,
I'd just be like, I'm not doing it anymore. I'm not
go into your silent room, there's nothing getting you out of it, so there's nothing to say to you.
No,
Just make it
no,
worse.
no one can. When I'm in a mood like that, no one can get me out of it.
I know. Talking to you, saying nothing was actually the right thing to do. Let's let it blow over.
If you'd have said anything, I would have been like, Richard, no offence, but please, shush.
Shut up.
And it's not in a rude way; it's how I deal with my emotions. Do you know what I mean?
Well, I read you quite well.
Oh, amazingly! You're probably you are the best person that's ever read me.
Now then, we're going to stay on this road. There's a route that goes left at the green. We're going to carry on and go a little different route.
I'm actually really excited for my driving test. I don't know why. I know that it's normal to be nervous, but I'm just excited to see what happens.
Around here. It's very narrow round here, and anything bigger than a car on this corner is going to be on your side of the road. And if anyone's going too fast, they're going to be on your side of the road as well. So just be a little bit of caution. Follow around there.
It's like that anticipation.
Yeah.
I'm quite excited for. Like to just show someone else that I can drive.
See, what you're doing is manifesting.
I am manifesting.
When I do this, think what the prize is going to be when I've passed the drive test.
Yeah.
I'll be able to go out.
I'll be able to. If I pass on Monday, I'll be able to drive myself to my eyelash appointment in the evening.
Well,
Sounds silly, but I can't wait to just sit in this driver's seat and blast my breakup playlist.
Yes.
And get my eyelashes redone.
Yeah.
I can't believe I was so scared of this road. Quite emotional.
And that's the thing. So mirror chesticles. That's the thing. If you do, a lot of people when they drive, and it's one of the things as a driving instructor, people plateau and sort of hit a level where they feel they're improving anymore.
Yeah.
Making the same mistakes over again, not improving. And the positive thing to do, what you have to do with that, you have to find a different way of tackling something. Take it from a different angle, try something else. If someone's really anxious in town, well, let's go and do rural roads. Let's tackle it differently. Let's see if you're going fast, get used to going fast, and come back. It won't feel slow, it won't feel so panicky. Now, this roundabout, we're going to go left. And the thing to do, if you're feeling a bit down about your driving, is to really go back 2 or 3 lessons ago. What was I doing 2 or 3 lessons ago? What was I struggling with? What have I improved on? It's quite tight, this roundabout.
Yeah.
And it goes into quite a tight run as well, so don't rush it. So this is a nice way of spending a lesson before test.
Yeah.
Well, but remember this, remember that, because all you're doing is building anxiety.
Yeah.
Is to think, well, look where you've come.
Yeah.
You're driving independently.
I'm gonna cry.
You're not going to cry.
No, I'm actually.
Are you crying? Oh, Martha, do you want to pull over?
No, I'm
You're
actually
right.
running up.
Oh, what made you cry?
I'm like, I don't know what to. Sorry. I don't know what to.
Well, that's emotionally done as such. You've achieved so much.
I don't like growing up. And this means I'm growing up.
You're growing up?
They're happy tears, though.
Yeah, it's happy tears.
My mum's going to wee herself on it. She's going to be like, I can't take you anywhere. I'll be doing that by myself.
Yeah, you're waving.
I know.
Hello, everybody.
I'll be doing it to everyone for no reason.
So, what's it now? 7 o'clock in the evening. It's pretty quiet. During the day, this can be a lot more. I think there's a school around there somewhere, so you get lots of people. If you've got 9 o'clock test, for example, or the afternoon one, it could be a lot more busy. Little people dropping, coming and going. Mirror checks, remember, lovely, well done.
I feel like we need to make a compilation of all my fails to get to where I am.
Martha compilation.
I'll cry. I'll sob, Richard. I'll duet it and cry.
I love the when I've passed. No ifs, no buts,
I'm
no
just trying
howevers.
to be positive.
Well, it's brilliant.
Where am I going?
Turning left here, slow it down. You've got a little slip road to turn onto here. So keep slow, just keep turning, keep rolling, keep looking. Use your right mirror now. Once you had a look across, can we come across?
Yeah.
Gas and go. That's it.
It's a funky road.
Yeah, it's just a little bit of moving on there. 'Cause this is a 60 mile an hour road. Now, we are going to go after the corner. We're going to turn right, and we're going to turn right into Burton Latimer.
Okay.
Now, don't brake. Use the slip brake. Off the brake. Off the brake.
Sorry.
That's a 60-mile-an-hour road.
Yeah.
Try and get yourself in. Slow it down there. Okay, choose a gear that's better than 4th gear. That's a good one. Round we go then. Now we've come from this way before. Now we've gone from a slightly different rural route this way.
Okay. Really, on the test, is there actually like a specific route they think in their head?
No, there's set routes about anything, any number of them.
Yeah, do they just kind of like take you wherever?
No, they choose which route you're doing before they meet you.
Bunny rabbit.
Hmm.
There was a bunny.
40 down here, a little bit faster.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, second exit, follow the road, Martha. Just go, don't signal here. Sort your gear, pull the steer. Miss my rhymes, won't you?
Yeah.
You know my voice will be in your. You know my voice will be in your head for months after you pass your driving test.
I'll just think of them.
Yes, okay.
Every time.
Yeah.
Sneak and peek.
Just come from my side a little bit there, Martha. Come from my side. Go on. Try not a little bit more, being a bit greedy there.
Yeah.
So, or the alternative was just to hold back, let that car come through. If you held back, let a car come through, and it's your restricted, are you going to get marked down for that? But the alternative is it's going to go very wrong, isn't it, if you squeeze it through?
Yeah.
Err on the side of caution. That's all I wanted to tell you there. Now, the mini roundabout, you're going to go first exit left, please.
Okay. Don't want to signal yet because I'm not going.
That's it? Yeah, there's a little junction there, isn't there? Good.
Which is a little bit hidden.
Yeah, it's a little bit hidden.
Cheeky little.
Good, happy?
Yeah, I can
Yeah,
see
be careful,
that.
it's great. We'll slow down till you can,
Yeah.
obviously. What's the
Back
speed
time,
limit?
20.
Good. So, slow down, don't gamble. Because it's only heads or tails, it's clear or it's not clear. It's a 50-50 sort of.
This is lovely.
That's it. Always making sure we're just looking around all the time.
20 feels so slow nowadays. I'm just doing 70.
Yeah, well, first started off, it felt like going to orbit if we went 20, didn't it? Now hold back for this car, position it there, slow back. That's it, there's not room for two, is there? Now keep it rolling slightly, and then it stops other people, get a little bit of momentum so we can just carry on through. There we go. Just put yourself in a bit earlier, that's it, marvellous. Just get yourself in, get a lovely clear message. Now, do you reckon this is for two or for not? Not really, is it?
Not really. I'd rather
Yeah, hold it back.
hold
Bring
back.
yourself out to the centre line there. That's it. Yeah, creep through. You're alright. Just as long as you're crawling through nice and slowly, not a problem. We've got to make progress, haven't we, one way or another? Come across to my side. We've got plenty of room this side. That's it. Go now. First exit, follow the road. So you were looking there already, can't you? So you know it's clear. Nice early observations. Oh, that's where we want to test. Now, the thing is, remember, when you get a bit stressed, what's your go-to place? You lock in, don't you? So you've got to stop. When you feel yourself getting stressed, you've got to stop yourself locking in and say, this is what I do when I get stressed.
Yeah.
I'm going to force myself. Don't let my subconscious do this.
Yeah.
I'm going to override it by really making sure I'm looking around.
Yeah.
Second exit, straight across. Don't need a signal, straight across. So, round you go. What's the speed limit down this road?
30.
Good.
Where am I going?
Second exit, just following the road. That's it. Slowing it down then.
Feeling like a second kind
Yeah, you got it.
for that one.
There we go. So make sure you're looking left, signalling left. That's going to help those people, isn't it? You're not doing a U-turn.
Yeah.
Now, A14 West, left-hand side,
Yeah.
second exit left. Now remember this roundabout, people on the left-hand side will be coming around, so slow it right down, choose your moment wisely. Seems alright, doesn't it? No. Are they going around it? Yeah. Okay, here we go.
Yep.
Around it. That's it. 1, 2. That's the McDonald's with the hair.
Vile.
So you're going to go first exit left then, Marth. Traffic lines. And then we just go back one junction, and back to the test centre. Jobs are good. And now what we haven't done is we've got a manoeuvre to do at some point, and you'd be putting it, go. I've dropped it down the gear possibly.
should
there.
have.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna
Should have.
What did I say?
Should have.
Oh, bore off, Richard. Yeah.
Take it. Not going far. Only going one junction. In fact,
Yeah,
you
so
can,
I
you can
just-
already see the planning board for it. just to hold back there.
Yeah.
Coming off here then, please, Martha. Keeping over to the left. Now, it will be fourth exit right, but stay on this side until make a decision to come across right. Because you can take it in each lane.
Yeah.
You can go round the outside, or you can do it from the right. Now you've got a car on your right, so you're going to stay in this lane, aren't you? So just slow it down to 40, which you've done. Slow it down, pop a right indicator on. Stay in this lane. Oh, we can beat this bus surely, can't we? Now, if you're quick, you can use this bus as a blocker if he moves on, but he's left it a bit late for you, so you can't do that. But can we take it? No. Right, come round to there, aim a bit there, get your biting point. So we have to go swiftly, if that's a word, swiftly, because all those cars on the right-hand side, they're all going to be going down the A14 and cutting across you. So you have to make sure you can get round before the cars go. So this is a good opportunity. Go. So keep to the left, all the way round. Keep an eye on the cars on the right. Really good idea to count then. Signal left then. That's how we do it. Just back off now. Don't need to rush this bit. Slow it down a little bit. Easing off. Get rid of the indicator because we want to come across the left if it's safe to do so. Is it safe to do so?
Yeah.
Okay, we get across then, and then we're back into rolling back to the test centre. If you can't come across, just go second exit. Slow it down to what speed?
20.
Yeah, good. Slow it down. Keep. Slow it down. It's not going fast enough. Too fast. Okay. Aim. Just let gravity do your thing. That's it. No rush round there. The road tips with the roundabout. If you go too fast, it tips you into that. All right then.
Gosh, I'd have been.
Maybe too tense, though.
No, it's from me pretending.
Yeah, good. Erred on the side of caution there. Yeah, they're coming around about a signal on. They're going to. Yeah.
See, but they can be my blocker.
Yes, they're good. Aim. Good. Second exit, please.
Sorry. I feel like on Sunday we could do like a revision kind of lesson.
Yeah.
So we do the manoeuvres.
We do
a little thing with the sat nav. It doesn't have to be like an actual mock test. It just be like just slight little route. I'm gonna just drop down into second gear so I can do this corner nice and safely. As a young chap once told me. You.
Me. Young. I like it. That's why you're my favourite people, Martha. There we go.
After I called you old half an hour ago, but we'll forget about that.
I'm fine. I need to turn that camera off.
Was that good?
Absolutely fantastic.
Any like fails in there?
No, that's perfect.
Yes.
Really good. Really pleased with you.
Thank you.
You've come a long way. You are absolutely brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Now, you've got to a stage now where you don't need me because you've got to a stage now. You will make mistakes.
That's really sad when you say
You will
like
make
that.
mistakes. But the point is, Marth, you've got to a stage you will learn from your mistakes. But mistakes won't. I've got you to a stage where mistakes won't be catastrophic.
Yeah.
But I could have done that better. Could have done that earlier. Should have looked a bit earlier. Might have positioned myself slightly differently, at a different speed.
Yeah, like
Didn't
I'm
see that car.
aware
Aware of it. And you've been taught in such a way that you become a better driver of time, not just one that goes into stupid habits and things like that.
Yeah.
You haven't got through a test. You've learnt to drive,
Yeah.
which is brilliant.